Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your last love bite of the month. Let's see what message wants to show through for you today, Leo. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So my angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Leo and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Leo, let's begin. Welcome back, my subscribers. Thank you for being here once again. And Leo, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Leo, Wheel of Fortune, 3 of Pentacles, center of my spread with the Empress in reverse, 9 of Swords, Chariot, and the Page of Swords. Bottom of my deck, Leo, I have the High Priestess. So either you guys are really not talking to each other right now, keeping your distance, keeping yourselves to yourselves, not sharing information. Somebody here feels, Leo, that whatever mind games they played, they eventually became the loser. Maybe somebody was not clear in their intentions. Maybe there were some lies in this situation. Whoever did wrong, whoever played the mind games, they are feeling it's kind of backfired on them. And now, as much as they were trying to make you feel bad or vice versa, the person who actually did the nonsense here became the person who's actually the loser. Okay, now they've made a decision. They've made a decision that they want things to move, they want to work things out, but they're really not sure whether the other person is going to be interested now in moving ahead with them, and that's giving them a lot of stress and anxiety, not knowing how to move forward. So let's see what this is all about. Let's start with some dialogue message cards. So Leo and their person, spirit, if they could say something to each other now. Leo and their person, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Let's take a few more from here. Leo and their person, if they could say something to each other, spirit. And I'll take a couple more from here, Leo. Leo and their person. All right, good to go. So Leo, the first card here says, aren't you tired of overthinking and being so hard on yourself? You can deliver yourself out of your pain, fear, and frustration, and then you'll see what I've seen in you all along. So maybe somebody was playing mind games because they were not sure of themselves. Maybe they were trying to finger the other person to see reactions before they took a step forward. And the other person, who I think is the Empress, is saying, aren't you tired of all your games? Of staying in this pain? Who knew that one of the greatest challenges of my life would be the love of my life, who after meeting would eternally haunt my very existence? So I think this person did want to move ahead, but I think tried to test maybe this Empress out and played games. And now, since there's no forward movement, somebody is very, very stressed out and saying, hey, who knew that one of the greatest challenges of my life would be the love of my life? Next card says, I'm healing from deep trauma after losing you in the physical world. On reflection, I realized my inability to put myself first let me down. But as you're my mirror, I feel I ultimately let you down. I'm so sorry I couldn't be there for you when you needed me the most. I didn't know how to make myself a priority, and in not doing so, I lost the biggest part of me, you. So somebody's realized now. Somebody's now realized, and they want to make a decision to move forward and maybe get this ball rolling again. But now this person is stressed out because they feel, it may not be possible. I feel you in my heart. Sorry. You feed my heart and soul with your love. You're my best friend and my most passionate lover. I love you more than anything in this world. Okay, so if that was the case, why did you play mind games? I'm sure that's what the other person wants to ask, right? With just one text, one call, one look, one smile, you make my day. You're the most important person in my life, and it doesn't matter where I am. I'm always thinking of you day and night. Day and night. This person can't sleep. They have so much anxiety now because they feel that they've lost an empress. My friends keep telling me I made a big mistake in letting you go. I want to fix things between us. I just don't know how to make things right at this time. Isn't that just what I said, Leo? Somebody messed up here big time. They don't want to fix things, but they don't know how. My feelings for you are now platonic. Maybe that's what the Empress is saying. I gave you a chance, you messed up, and now, we can be friends without benefits. Our relationship has now suffered irreparable damage. Please make time for me. So, if this is resonating with you, Leo, let's go on to your reading. Let's see, clarify these cards. But before that, I'm going to take an angel blessing card, see how my angels are going to bless this reading with the blessing, guidance, advice, or message. Marriage. So this marriage card actually means somebody who's cutting off some past relationship. So that could have been an issue. Maybe one or both of you could have been still involved in something of the past and not giving attention to the other person. I don't know why this card is here. You all will have different interpretations of this card. Maybe this person wants to marry this Empress now and is not sure whether they can move ahead. I have no clue. But the card of marriage is here. So let's see. Five of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Why is this person feeling in the Five of Swords energy? Five of Swords. Because they breadcrumbed an Empress. They didn't give enough. There was no balance. There was no equal give and take. And you don't do that to an Empress, right? Now this person is feeling, oh my God, I breadcrumbed and I created this imbalance in our connection. And who's the one who actually is feeling lost now? Who's fully feeling like a loser? It's they themselves. Maybe they lied about something, or maybe at that point they weren't clear with the Ace of Swords in reverse. Yes, maybe they didn't communicate properly. Maybe they came across as just a flirt and didn't kind of have any serious conversations. This person could have been behaving in a very flirty manner or just saying sweet nothings, but actually not concentrating on balancing out this connection or having equal give and take. So what's this Two of Swords now then, Spirit? Two of Swords in reverse. Yes, now this person has made a decision. A bit too late. And also because I think this texting or talking has stopped between the two of you. Now they're suddenly realizing that they have romantic feelings, and now they've made a decision and want to bring some kind of justice and balance to this connection. They want things to start moving again with the Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Fortune, Spirit. Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Fortune. They're very stressed out because they feel that they will have to answer some questions now. There'll be some hard questions which will be asked, which will have to be answered. They know that their person is very intuitive and will probably pick up on any lies which is given to them now. They are very confused as to how to take this forward now. This is the second time I've got the Nine of Swords. This is the amount of anxiety this person is, and very, very confused how to make things right now. So Three of Pentacles. What's this Three of Pentacles? As much as this person now wants to take a commitment, as much as they now want to work on things, they feel that maybe in the past they are the ones who left this Empress out in the cold, abandoned her. Now they feel that tables can turn. So as much as they want to now, they've made up their mind, they are feeling a bit lost and feeling they are going to be rejected now. They'll be abandoned, they'll be left behind. They feel that this Empress no longer wants to, grow with them or have any kind of future with them. Yes, they feel this Empress has already dropped them. This Empress is that upset with them that she's already dropped this connection and has already probably moved on. Right? Because there's no interaction between the two of you. The guys are maybe not talking to each other, no messaging, nothing. So they're kind of worried that this Empress is no longer interested in them, has dropped them, and has probably moved on with their life already. And thinking of that makes this person again go back into that stress and sleepless nights. And they feel they've lost their chance of having something very, very stable with the person who they now want to work with. Maybe earlier they were just, playing games and took too long. What else, Spirit? Yes, see, this is what they did. They were being a sneak. They were lying. They were cheating or whatever this person was doing. This is basically very naughty behavior, I would say, Leo. That somebody steals something, maybe somebody's emotions or time, and then looks back and goes, ha ha ha, see, I got away with it. So now this person is stressed that now they know that this kind of behavior of mine, of behaving this way, has cost me a connection which could have been fabulous. So Chariot in reverse, Spirit. Chariot in reverse. Chariot in reverse. As much as this person has now recognized that they really want to offer this cup of love, they want to get out of this stressful place by, maybe telling this person or going towards this person, they feel that they know, both of you know, that it's this person's fault for things not working out in the first place. Now, because they are guilty, this is guilt, they don't know how to move forward. They don't know, it's like, how to explain this? This is like if I know that I've created something which has ended a connection, how do I now go forward and now suddenly offer a cup of love? As much as, they want to and they don't want to stay stuck and they want to move forward, this person just doesn't know how. Maybe there's distance between the two of you now, or somebody's moved away, or something has happened, or maybe that's what they suspect. They feel that this Empress has already picked up the chariot and walked off, or rode off, and now they don't know where to find her or how to go towards her. So what's this Page of Swords in reverse, Spirit? They're trying to figure out, I think, from gossip or asking friends, or they know that whatever they've done was very, very immature, and they're trying to gather up their energy or their courage to think of a way that they can end this conflict which has happened between the two of you, and maybe go and admit that, I'm sorry, I did this, and this person is trying to gather their courage to go apologize for this bad behavior. They've really behaved badly, and they are suffering also for it, because they themselves are feeling like a loser, right? They are trying to gather up their energy to go and request or ask or see if there is any possibility of starting anew, have a fresh new beginning, have a fresh new chapter. Am I right, Spirit? Anything else? Yes, but right now I think they're thinking about it. They're trying to gather information. They're trying to maybe gossip around and find out from friends and neighbors or family or whatever that, what's this person up to? Are they with someone else? So this person is trying to see things from all different perspectives. They are stuck on this Empress and trying to figure out a way of how to go and apologize and request now to begin again, anew. Okay, so yes, that's all I have for you, Leo. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.